Need to pay a contractor or freelancer? Adding him as a 1099 NEC vendor in ADP ensures they're paid properly and you get the necessary form for tax season. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to set it up. In ADP, you don't add contractors to the regular employee payroll. Instead, you set them up as a vendor or supplier in the system. Navigate to the vendor management section and create a new vendor record with their legal name, address, and taxpayer identification number, TIN, SSN. When it's time to pay them, you process a separate vendor payment, or non-payroll payment, through ADP, which records the expense without calculating payroll taxes. My crucial pro tip: collect a Form W-9 before the first payment. Having a signed W-9 on file with the correct TIN is crucial. At year-end, ADP can use this vendor data to generate the 1099 NEC forms you need to send to them and the IRS. Just like that, you keep contractor payments clean and compliant. Do you pay many contractors, or is it occasional for your business? Share your experience below. If clear compliance guides help you, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.